Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. Now guys, if you're new here, please kindly consider giving us a subscription, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. So guys, thank you very much for those of you who subscribed, and thank you so much for the love and support. Now, we're going to learn more blocks. Today, we're going to be learning the Chudan Uke. So I'll do it in 3 steps. I'll explain the purpose of the Chudan Uke. I will demonstrate, and then you're going to do it together. So if you can recall in my previous video, I had said that Uke is block. Chudan is now the middle level. Previously, we had done the upper level, the Jordan. Now we're doing the Chudan. So guys, in my Shizentai dachi, again, if you've not watched our previous videos, kindly go back, watch them, then come back so that you can be able to move step by step. So from my Shizentai dachi, there, I want you to extend your right arm in a fist, there. Then slowly place your left arm under. So from my side, you can see from there. Slowly slide. Yeah? I don't know if you can see from there. Once you get to the wrists, retract the right arm and then thrust the left one. So 1, back, slide, thrust, back, 1. Yes? So the purpose of this block is once someone is coming with an object, your middle section, how you maybe, if it's an object like maybe a knife, how you destabilize that hand and throw the knife away. So that's why we are doing this. That's why we are placing this hand here and folding, and then we retract as I twist. All the blocks should be twisted. Reason being, that movement is able to engage the other hand of that opponent and throw away that object. So you can see from there, my hand twists as it blocks. 1, 2. If I block with my right, I'll extend my left, then place my right under, then slowly slide and twist again. 1 and 2. 1, 2. So let's do it, guys. We extend our right, place our left, slide, retract, and thrust. Straighten the one which is blocking, then under, slide, thrust. You see, guys? Straighten this one, block, and there. Good. So keep on practicing. Keep repeating so that you can be able to get that skill. From Jordan, now this was Chudan, and let's meet the other one so that we can be able to continue the other blocks. And guys, kindly subscribe. Subscribe. Also like, share, comment, keep talking to us in our social media handles, and let's learn karate together. Domo arigato.